Alright, so in this video I want to show you how quickly you can set up your backend. So I'm just going to create a new app called AYM QA for the QA environment. It's going to create it really quickly. So it's going to ask me which model do I want to provide for my hosted database. So for the AYM template example, you can just use this model, which has those things embedded in it. So it's just going to validate it. It's going to make sure that everything is cool. And in the meantime, you can grab these variables from getting started. You have the configure. Well, it's still configuring. It will be done fairly soon. There it is. So we're just gonna refresh this page just so it populates those sign up tokens. There we go. So now you have your app name. So you can come back here in AYM, and under config I'm going to use my QA environment. I'm going to set backend to true, and I'm going to enter in the name and the 2 tokens. So we have the sign up token and the anonymous token. That's it. So all I'm going to do now is, so let me preview the app as is now. So this is the dev environment, not the QA environment, which has its own database. So I'm just going to replace this with the QA environment. So I'm just going to say grunt replace QA. Again, if you remember what that does, it creates a service inside of scripts, which updates this file, hopefully when it's done. There we go. It updated that with all the variables, and now I'm just going to serve that server up. Alright, so the server is up. I'm just going to refresh it to load my QA environment. So here's the QA environment. Very different. Notice that I have new 0 things, which if you look in the database for things, you'll notice that there is no data in it currently. So what I'm going to do is come here, say I want to make a thing. Here's the thing. I want to create it. It's going to post to the database. Say here's the thing. And if I come back here and refresh the data, it's all populated.